Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is chemistry question 49 from IMAT 2015 past paper. So I'll be solving this. It says when propan 1O is burnt in excess oxygen, the only products formed are carbon dioxide and water. In the balanced equation for this reaction, what is the ratio of carbon dioxide to water molecules formed? So we know this propanol is organic compound. So the general rule for any organic compound in complete combustion is that it forms carbon dioxide and water as a product. So now they're asking the ratio for these products, carbon dioxide and water. So first of all, we're going to write the general formula for this propan-1-ol in complete combustion. It is three carbons. So we must know the formula for propan one also. Prop means three carbons. So three carbons and there are eight hydrogens and one oxygen. Since it's an alcohol, so plus it's burned in complete combustion. So there's excess oxygen. So we're not going to first write the balance equation. We're just writing the general chemical equation. And then as these main products, carbon dioxide and water. So now we're going to balance this chemical equation. So we know we have three carbons this side, so we're going to like use priority rule. So we're going to first prioritize the number of carbons, number of hydrogens, and then number of oxygen. So I have three carbons in my reactant side. So I'm going to add three over here and eight hydrogens. So I'm going to add four over here. So now to balance for oxygen, I have 3 times 2 oxygen plus I have 4 oxygen. So this will give me total. So 12, sorry, 6 plus 4. This will give me 10 oxygens. So to balance this chemically, I'm going to write here 9 by 2. So because it will cancel out with this 2 oxygen. So now if we try to balance, 1 oxygen plus 9 by 2 of this 2 oxygen, and this will give me 10 oxygens. So this is my balanced chemical equation, the simplified. Because now if we try to uh, make this as, we can cancel this 2 out by multiplying 2 by both sides. So if we multiply everything by 2, we're going to get 2, 2 propan 1O plus 9 oxygens. This will give us 6 carbon dioxide and 8 water molecules. So, but we already know that there's none of the given options that states this ratio. So what we can do, we already know if we divide this by 2 back, we'll get this ratio, 3 carbon dioxide and 4 water molecules. So now in our given option, option D is correct because this corresponds to our working 3 and 4 in the simplified ratio. So option D is the correct option, 3 and 4. So that's how we solve this question. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you find this helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.